So this week, I ordered a set of earplugs that completely changed my life. Now I'm going to show you the box. It's kind of a half mailbag, half feature here on Acoustic Tuesday. They're called Eargasm earplugs. They come in this really cool magnetic box, instructions, the whole deal. And what I love about these particular earplugs is this. They're easy to get out of the case. Now let me explain. This actually comes with a little bit of a story. Prior to having these earplugs, I had other sound filtering earplugs. And that's the premise of these, is they not only lower the sound level, so loud noises aren't as loud, but they retain the clarity. So I can wear these to a show and actually hear everything clear as a bell, but at a much lower volume, hence saving my ears. And as I mentioned, they're easy to get out of the case. Literally, you just pick them out, and the case is nice and wide. Now, I had a set of earplugs prior to this that, as I mentioned, were sound filtering. They were the Mack's earplugs, and I'm not trying to knock Mack's at all. I think they make great products, but one of my biggest complaints is that the cylinder that they used as a storage container was so narrow that you couldn't get the earplugs out, even if they were stuck. And these can get stuck in this case too, but at least you have enough room to stick your finger in and pull the earplugs out. The Mack's, you just can't do that. The other thing that I noticed on the Mack's versus the Eargasm earplugs is that the filters are much larger and of much better quality. The Mack's, again, they did an okay job of lowering sound levels, but the filters seemed they just seemed kind of chintzy. These seem very substantial and they work very well. They're very comfortable as well. The Mack's had a little bit smaller flange and I couldn't really get a good seal in my ear, whereas I put these in, they seal right up, and I used them the other day when I was playing drums. Actually, Levi, this is a good chance to tell you that I was playing your drum kit the other day when I was testing these out.
Cool.
And they work really, really well. In fact, I kept them in. I went and played drums. I kept them in. I was doing my stuff at my desk, and then all of a sudden I pulled the earplug out, and I was amazed at just how loud the ambient level of noise was. And I'm talking just like typing on my keyboard and things like that. So again, the reason I dig these so much is that they filter the sound. They lower the level, but you retain the clarity. They're super comfortable. The filters are high quality, and the case is highly, highly functional. I kept getting hit with ads. Anytime I logged into Facebook, I saw an ad for Eargasm earplugs, and my curiosity was piqued. So I went ahead and just bought a set and said, you know what, I'm going to try these. Well, I ended up throwing out my Macs, and I really, really am enjoying these, and I just appreciate a really good product that does what it says it's going to do. It's easy to use, and also can really save my music listening experience. So keep those on your radar. If you are a musician that plays in a loud environment, if you go to shows, a lot of shows, they're fantastic. And if things are just loud, let's say you're working outside with tools and you just still want to hear things, but lower the level, those are a great addition to your Guitar Geek toolbox and your music lover toolbox as well.